Hey guys, welcome to SmokeyGood. This is smoker cooking made easy. If you like what we're up to here at SmokeyGood, give us a like, give us a comment, or subscribe to the channel. Today is all about using our pellet grill to create some juicy and tender meatballs for our meatball marinara. So here's a bit of a heads up on what we've got planned. The overall recipe is going to take about 2 hours. That's going to include mixing up the meatball mix, rolling them up, and getting them ready for the smoker. So let's get started making up our meatball mix. This is a classic recipe that includes breadcrumbs, eggs, garlic, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix it up thoroughly here in this stainless steel bowl, and then I like to use a half-cup measure to create equal-sized meatballs. Making the meatballs all the same size helps to ensure they all cook at the same rate. Half a cup will let us make a meatball that's large enough to stay nice and tender and not dry out, as well as large enough to receive a thermometer probe on the smoker. For the full details on the meatballs and the marinara, I've put the recipe up on the SmokeyGood blog for you guys. SmokeyGood.com. Now here we go. Meatballs are all rolled up and ready to go into the smoker. Now we'll cook these for about a half an hour, but of course it's going to be important to check the temperature periodically as we're shooting for 140 degree Fahrenheit internal temperature. Oh, here we are, guys. Our meatballs are nice and tender and brown and ready for service. Let's take a look inside and see what we've got. Beautiful and soft and tender with savory garlic and onion notes, and the smell is awesome. Okay guys, let's wrap it up. Here's a quick look back. Just remember the recipe details are on SmokeyGood.com. And one last look at our Meatballs Marinara. Delicious. Thanks for watching SmokeyGood. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. Check us out at SmokeyGood.com.